Looking for heartwarming love stories to binge watch? Here are the top 15 romantic Turkish series with English subtitles offering captivating tales of passion, drama, and romance. Get ready to be swept away by these unforgettable shows. Number 1. İkimizin Sırrı, Our Secret. This series follows Neva Canpolat, who struggles to survive with her 7-year-old daughter Hayal. Neva instills the beauty and hope of life in Hayal through fairy tales and games, despite their difficult circumstances. Their fragile happiness is threatened by dark men who follow them. A chance traffic accident brings them into the life of Alp Karhu, a wealthy businessman. As their paths intertwine, Neva marries Alp, driven by the hope of a better life and the needs of Alp's ailing mother. The Secret of Two explores the resilience and hope that bind this unconventional family together. İkimizin Sırrı is a heartfelt series that starts strong with promising episodes and stellar performances, particularly from the leads and the young actress playing Hayal. Despite its potential, the show was unfortunately cut short after 10 episodes due to low ratings, resulting in a rushed ending. While it doesn't quite capture the depth of the original Korean drama, Marriage Contract, it remains an entertaining watch with emotional moments. Overall, it's worth seeing for its touching story and impressive acting, even if it falls short in some areas. Number 2. Annemici Saklarke, Hiding Our Mother. Annemici Saklarke follows the life of Handan, a single mother of 3 who envies the luxurious lives she sees on social media. Having become a mother at a young age, she feels she missed out on her own life. Dundar, a seemingly perfect husband and father, crosses paths with Handan when she becomes a client of his wife, Zerrin. Despite her discomfort with his flirtations, Handan is tempted by the life he represents. As Handan and her children's lives intertwine with Dundar's, secrets unfold and their lives change dramatically following Zerrin and Dundar's wedding anniversary party. The series boasts a strong cast, including Hande Dogandemir and Kotse. Annemici Saklarke delves into complex family dynamics and psychological intrigue, making it a compelling watch for fans of intense storytelling. It explores themes of motherhood, deception, and the pursuit of a better life through relationships. The strong acting and unpredictable plot keep viewers engaged, though some may find the pacing uneven and the resolution of certain storylines rushed. Overall, it's worth watching for its gripping narrative and strong performances, despite occasional flaws in execution. Before we dive into the next series, if you enjoy exploring new and exciting Turkish shows, remember to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Stay tuned for more fantastic content and the latest in entertainment. Number 3. Mendiman Jalaluddin. Mendiman Jalaluddin chronicles the life of Jalal ad-Din Mingburnu, the final ruler of the Khwarezmiya Empire, amidst the backdrop of the Mongol invasion led by Genghis Khan. The series portrays Jalaluddin facing internal strife within his kingdom, particularly the power struggle involving his father and grandmother, Turkan Khatun. His love for Kutlu Baik, who holds secrets linked to her past, complicates his personal life. Amidst these conflicts, Jalaluddin strives to unite his people against the Mongol threat, aided by his mentor Temur Melik. The narrative weaves together political intrigue, familial drama, and historical battles as Jalaluddin navigates the complexities of leadership during a pivotal moment in Central Asian history. Mendiman Jalaluddin captivates with its immersive portrayal of Jalal ad-Din Mingburnu's resistance against Mongol invaders, featuring strong performances and intricate political intrigue. However, it takes liberties with historical accuracy and occasionally rushes through pivotal moments. History enthusiasts and Turkish drama fans will enjoy its rich setting and strong characters, despite deviations from strict historical accuracy. Those intrigued by epic narratives and political dramas will find Mendiman Jalaluddin engaging and informative. Number 4. Kursun. In 1970s Istanbul, prosecutor Orhan tackles a murder case involving a congressman's son, diving into the city's underworld despite resistance. Journalist Leela, shaped by her father's absence and her mother's struggles, seeks truth in her reporting. Their paths converge as they uncover a witness, nightclub singer Gulz, linking the murder to mafia ties. Gulz, fearing for her life and her child's safety, hesitates to testify. Together, Orhan and Leela navigate the dangerous terrain of corruption and intrigue, determined to bring justice to light. As they confront the powerful mafia ruling in secrecy, their collaboration becomes essential to protect Gulz and expose the truth. Number 5. Kulub. Kulub, also known The Club, is a powerful and captivating Turkish drama that dives into the turbulent history of 1950s Istanbul. The show brilliantly portrays the social unrest and inequalities faced by minority groups during that time. In this series you will see Bariz Ardat playing the lead role of Ismet, a taxi driver, who is known for his rebellious and womanizing nature. The story of The Club revolves around Matilda, a middle-aged woman who has been imprisoned for 17 years. Upon her release, she wants to start a new life far away from Istanbul and keep her past hidden from her daughter, Rasil, who knows nothing about her parents. However, fate intervenes, and Matilda accidentally bumps into Rasil, forcing her to reveal her identity. Rasil is arrested by the police while trying to retrieve her friend's identity card from the nightclub The Club. To secure her daughter's release, Matilda agrees to work under the nightclub's manager, Celebi, who turns out to be a former servant from her past. She takes on the role of a cleaning lady at the club, facing challenges to save her daughter. Meanwhile, Matilda tries to rekindle her relationship with Rasil and disapproves of her daughter's romance with Ismet, a taxi driver known for his rebellious and womanizing nature. Unaware of Rasil's Jewish background, Ismet comes from a conservative Muslim community, adding further complexity to their relationship. Number 6. Queen of the Night. Queen of the Night revolves around Celine, a half-Turkish beauty living in Grasse, France, crafts perfumes in her serene world, unaware of her Turkish heritage. Kartal, an Istanbul businessman with a tragic past, reluctantly marries Aziz's daughter. During a trip to Grasse, Kartal encounters Celine, instantly smitten despite his marital ties. Ignorant of Kartal's marriage, Celine believes she's found true love. Their fleeting romance faces numerous hurdles, yet they pursue it with unwavering devotion. Despite their pure intentions, happiness eludes them as they confront societal expectations and personal sacrifices. Their love, born under the mythical Queen of the Night's fleeting bloom, is tested by fate's cruel twists. Through turmoil and adversity, Celine and Kartal strive to carve out a path to serenity amidst a world determined to tear them apart. For me, Queen of the Night shines with Yildirim's brilliance, though the lead actress's performance divides opinions. Overall, it's a captivating mix of romance and drama. Number 7. Lifeline. Lifeline tells the story about Nefes, who was only 16 years old when she was sold to an abusive man, Vedat Sayer, under the name of marriage. She got tortured by her husband, so after 8 years, she escapes with her son from a life of abuse. She hides in Tahir's truck, a kind man who protects her like a hero. They face danger, rejection, and hurdles of traditional values, but their love grows strong. It's a story of hope, healing, and standing against the tradition for the right. According to me, Lifeline series delivers a captivating narrative, tackling themes of abuse and resilience with exceptional performances. The heartfelt love story of Tahir and Nefes, coupled with insightful portrayals of Islamic values, makes it a standout Turkish series. However, there are some scenes where I felt potential dips in quality and storyline cohesion. Otherwise, the series is great. Number 8. Bir Zamanlar Çukurova. This series is set in 1970s Istanbul, where we see the story of two lovers, Zuleyha and Yilmaz, who dream of marriage, but fate intervenes when Veli, Zuleyha's stepbrother, sells her to a crime boss. Yilmaz, in a desperate attempt to save Zuleyha, commits murder and the two flee to Adana. There, they find work on Yaman farm, owned by modern and ambitious Demir. The love triangle between Zuleyha, Yilmaz, and Demir unfolds amidst family conflicts and a struggle for dominance over the fertile lands of Adana. According to me, the historical setting and strong character development contribute to make this series a must-watch. Number 9. Kish Guneshi, Winter Sun. This is a great Turkish series to watch, and it follows Efe, who witnesses his father's murder as a child, losing his memory and identity in the process. Raised by an adoptive family, he becomes a humble fisherman, unaware of his true heritage. When the assassin who killed his father resurfaces seeking revenge, Efe discovers he has a twin brother, Meet, leading him into a web of deception and danger. Mistakenly killed by the murderers, Efe assumes Meet's identity to seek justice for their deaths. As Efe navigates the complexities of his brother's life, including Meet's troubled marriage to Nisan, he must conceal his true identity while unraveling the truth behind his family's tragedy. Amidst the chaos, Efe grapples with his desire for vengeance and his growing feelings for Nisan, torn between his mission and his heart. Winter Sun captivates with its compelling plot, stellar cast, and emotional depth, earning praise for its gripping storytelling and powerful performances. I highly commend the chemistry between lead actors Sukru Ozildiz and Asli Enver. The absence of explicit content and focus on strong character development add to its appeal, making it a standout series worth watching repeatedly. Number 10. Price of Passion. Price of Passion series tells us the story of a girl named Asli, a dedicated and free-spirited doctor, becomes unwittingly entangled with Farhat, a cold-hearted hitman working for his secretive biological father, Namik. As Farhat's criminal activities come to light, Asli's police officer brother, James, investigates, unaware that his sister is held captive. As the complex web of family secrets unravels, Asli discovers Namik's murderous past. Facing imminent danger, Farhat offers Asli an unexpected lifeline, marriage, unleashing a riveting tale of crime, loyalty, and an unconventional alliance that challenges their lives and loyalties. What will happen next? Watch this series to find out. Number 11. Yemen. The Promise, or Yemen, was the most successful drama series of 2019, where this series broke all the previous records. The Yemen drama series follows the story of Rehan, an innocent and humble girl from small village. Due to her dying uncle's wish, she agrees to marry Emir, the adventurous son of the wealthy Tarhun family. However, their marriage faces challenges as Emir's greedy mother Kavidan and Emir himself both seek to make Rehan's life miserable. But after some time, their hate converts into a beautiful love story. This series is perfect for anyone who enjoys romantic dramas and thrilling family dynamics, as it offers a captivating blend of love, conflict, and redemption that will keep you hooked until the very end. This series has 4 seasons, although I will suggest you to watch till season 2 only, as season 3 and season 4 are not that much interesting. Number 12. Ruzgarli Tepe. Zainab is the smart, well-behaved, exemplary daughter of the wealthiest family in the town where she lives, while Halil is a young man who lost his mother and father at an early age and lives with his aunt with a grudge to avenge his family. These two young people who live despite their families will find themselves in an unthinkable blind knot. According to me, this series has too much misunderstandings, coupled with a lackluster plot and an unconvincing portrayal of Halil's intense anger, appear more like a psychopath seeking revenge on non-threatening women. But the lead actress demonstrates potential with her strong portrayal of the character Zainab. Number 13. Kurt Seyit Shura. Kurt Seyit Shura follows the tumultuous journey of Kurt Seyit Eminov, a dashing lieutenant, and Shura, a beautiful Russian noble's daughter, as they flee to Istanbul during the Russian Revolution. Their love defies societal norms and family expectations. From Petrograd's grandeur to the Carpathian front line, they navigate through riots, revolution, and occupied Istanbul. Their perilous journey across frozen landscapes symbolize their fight for love against historical events and family pressure. Set against the backdrop of the Ottoman Empire's decline, their tale embodies passion, sacrifice, and resilience amidst turbulent times. It's a series that not only entertains but also educates, shedding light on a period of history often overlooked. Every detail immerses you in a world you never want to leave. The performances, especially by Kaviansi Tatlıtuğ and Farah Zeynep Abdullah, are nothing short of mesmerizing. Number 14. Dilek Tashi. Set in the politically charged year of 1980, In Pursuit of Hope follows Mustafa, a struggling factory worker desperate to save his wife Jana's life. When rejected by his ruthless boss, he goes into hiding, leaving his daughter Cemre in an orphanage, adopted by the wealthy Rona family. Mustafa and compassionate housekeeper Figen infiltrate the Rona's household, sparking an unexpected romance while uncovering sinister intentions, leading to a clash between vengeance and love in their quest for justice and a brighter future. For me, this is an amazing series that evokes deep emotions. The portrayal of selflessness and exceptional acting create a compelling narrative. It resonates with its audience, shedding light on the profound impact of injustice and human resilience. Number 15. Love for Rent. Love for Rent is a Turkish romantic comedy series that follows the story of Defne, a waitress who lives a simple life with her grandmother, brother, and little sister. When her brother is taken by the mafia for his debt, Defne has to find a large sum of money in 24 hours to save him. Omar, a young CEO, meets Defne at the restaurant where she works and pretends to be her boyfriend to escape an arranged date. When Omar's aunt-in-law Neriman sees them together, she proposes an offer to Defne to work as Omar's personal assistant, make him fall in love with her, and get married to him within 6 months. Defne accepts the offer to save her brother, but complications arise as she falls in love with Omar. The show features a mix of romance, comedy, and drama as Defne navigates her new challenging life while keeping her true intentions hidden. So that was the video, friends, but if you've enjoyed these Turkish romantic series, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell. Stay tuned for more captivating videos on Turkish dramas and explore the world of romance with us. Subscribe now for more exciting content from our channel.